I think I'm with X Ultimate Gamer, and today we're going to play Minecraft Pocket Edition, and this is so fun. Okay, look, my X, go to your world now. Okay, I'll choose your texture pack is different. Look guys, look at our texture pack. The name of the Sino mo, Jay? Look, this is a fantasy texture pack. So, subscribe my name on my YouTube account will be Rich Gamer, and X Ultimate Gamer X will be X Ultimate Gamer 2. But you can don't forget to subscribe my channel. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Please support us. This is our first video. Okay, guys, let's go to the video. Creeper. Go to the YouTube. When I'm done posting, go to YouTube. Then put MCP Adventure Part 1. This is our video. Look at the fantasy. This is sorry about that, guys. Was my friend. So we're gonna go mining, right? Let's go mining, Gi. Let's go. Mining. Wait. I have 49. You do have a crafting. Okay, here. Yes, let's go. We will meet you there. Let's go! Yep. Guys, X Ultimate Gamer. Okay, tell me. Guys, X Ultimate Gamer is. Hey, where are you going, man? Not following me. Oh, let's go to the mine. What? Look, this is what happens if you are not looking at Minecraft. Look, wolf fell in the water. It's like a moody nest. Sorry about that, guys. Gotta go. Let's go to the mines. In your jacket, man. Let's go to the mines. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and his channel. Link will be in the description below. I hope. I hope you like this video. Okay. And I'm hungry. We have to go back to the beach. Bumili ako di ko, Jay. Man na kumigo mata. Nagluloy na nalang sinanin. May kumbida ko gold kanin. Dabla ba yung pinuhay, no? Guys, that is X Ultimate Gamer. Stop it! You're killing me. Sorry about that, guys. That's our addict friend. Dota 2. RJ. He's crazy. I'm gonna go in my swimming pool and take a bath. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. This is the part 1, and we will make part So, peace out. Bye!